If Google Cast is not showing on your Samsung TV, start with the boring explanation first. The article says most cases are rollout timing, model eligibility, firmware version, or network visibility, not a broken TV. Native Google Cast is tied to Samsung's staged firmware rollout. The key checkpoint is Tizen version 2115.3 or higher. If your TV is below that version, the cast feature may simply not have reached your set yet. Eligibility matters too. The article explains that 2026 Samsung sets ship with native cast. Some recent 2024 models picked it up early, and older sets, especially 2022 or earlier, should not assume the update is coming. Check the software version before you reset anything. Use the TV's software update and About This TV screens, confirm whether the version is 2115.3 or newer, and leave automatic updates on while the rollout reaches your model. Also, make sure you are looking for the right feature. Google Cast is app casting, not Samsung Smart View and not iPhone full screen mirroring. It sends video from supported apps. If you expected your whole iPhone screen, Cast can be working correctly and still look wrong. If your TV has the Cast build but still does not appear, fix the local network path. Put the phone and TV on the same Wi-Fi, restart both devices, and check the router for guest network, client isolation, or access point isolation settings. For an older Samsung TV that is skipped by the rollout, use a streaming stick. It adds casting and a full app platform through HDMI. And it avoids waiting on firmware that unsupported hardware may never receive. The full SmartTVs guide has the Cast rollout checklist, model notes, network fixes, and fallback device options.